ZipBooks versus Bonsai. Which is more user-friendly? That's a question a lot of people have when choosing software for accounting and project management. If you're trying to decide which one is right for you, you're in the right place. I've tested both ZipBooks and Bonsai, and I'll tell you the key differences, including which one is truly more user-friendly. Stick around, because by the end, I'll share a better alternative that you might not have considered. Let's start with ZipBooks. It has a pretty clean and straightforward interface. The dashboard is simple, which makes it easy to get started right away. You can set up your account quickly and jump straight into creating invoices and tracking your expenses. The design feels basic, but it works, especially for small businesses that need simple tools for accounting. However, the real issue with ZipBooks is the limited customization options. You'll get basic features for free, but if you want more advanced options, like time tracking or project management features, you'll have to upgrade. Next, Bonsai. Bonsai goes for a more modern and polished feel with a focus on freelancers. The design is sleek, and it looks like it's made for professionals who want something that not only looks good but works well. The software offers features like contracts, proposals, invoicing, and client management, all in one place. It's great for freelancers who want an all-in-one solution. But the user interface isn't as intuitive as ZipBooks. If you're not already familiar with the platform, it may take a little time to figure out where everything is. Plus, some users report that the learning curve is steeper, especially if you're just starting out with these tools. Next thing to consider is the pricing. ZipBooks offers a decent free plan with core features for small businesses, but once you start needing advanced options, the pricing can get a bit steep. The paid plans aren't necessarily bad, but for what you get, they might not be as competitive as other tools out there. Bonsai, on the other hand, is not free. However, it's fairly priced for what it offers, especially for freelancers who need an all-in-one tool for contracts, invoicing, and project management. But again, this software is better suited for people who are okay with paying a subscription fee for a more comprehensive tool. Now, let's talk about features. ZipBooks offers a strong invoicing system, basic project tracking, and the ability to connect your bank accounts for real-time updates. But it lacks the more complex project management features that many small businesses need. Bonsai, in contrast, provides an entire suite for freelancers, contract templates, proposals, invoicing, and even time tracking. It's designed for someone who's managing multiple projects and clients at the same time. But this does come at the cost of simplicity. There are more moving parts in Bonsai, so if you prefer something super simple, ZipBooks might win in this area. The customer support experience is another key factor when deciding between ZipBooks versus Bonsai. ZipBooks is known for decent support, but it's mostly through email and forums, so if you need quick help, you might be left waiting a while. Bonsai does offer more robust customer support with live chat and email options, which is a major plus if you run into problems while using the software. While both have good resources, Bonsai's support feels a bit more accessible when you need it. Finally, let's talk about integrations. ZipBooks integrates with several popular tools, but its selection is a little more limited compared to Bonsai, which integrates seamlessly with major platforms like Google Drive, Zapier, and more. If you're using a variety of tools to manage your business, you'll probably appreciate the more extensive integration options that Bonsai offers. But if your needs are simpler, ZipBooks will still cover the basics. Both ZipBooks and Bonsai are solid options depending on your needs. But after testing both myself, I have to say that if you're looking for a truly user-friendly alternative for accounting and project management, I recommend trying the free trial through the first link in the description. This alternative will give you the best of both worlds: simplicity, ease of use, and powerful features. Plus, through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best trial offer only available to our viewers. Check it out now and make your decision easier.